Right click on the Windows icon on the bottom and then click on Device Manager. Once that's opened, you want to head over to System Devices, open it up, and then you want to head over to High Precision Event Timer, right click on it, and then you want to disable it, and then click on Yes. For the next step, you want to head over to Search and then type in Choose a Power Plan, and then click on it. Once you're on it, you want to select High Performance or Ultra Performance. So in my case, I will need to click on the arrow and then click on High Performance. But if you don't have it, then you could just stay on Balanced. You can also try to create a power plan right here and then see if you get like a high performance option. There could also be a gaming option, so you could also select that if you don't have high performance or ultra high performance. For the last step, you want to head over to Search and then type in Task Manager. Then we're going to open it. Once you're on it, we're going to head over to Startup Apps. Click on it. And then you want to disable everything that you don't want to be started up when you turn on your computer. So for example, if I don't want Logitech G Hub to open up, I will click on it and then I'll click on disable. And then it won't open up when my PC starts. Instead, I have to manually open it. You might get a warning saying that if you disable this, Windows might not work properly. If you get a warning on any apps like that, then just make sure that you do not disable it and you keep it enabled. Once you do all of this, you just want to restart your computer. Make sure you click on restart, don't shut down, click on restart. And then your CPU usage should be fixed.